The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Greenleaf Plumbing, AC, and Heating. Tori Crow, Plumbing Manager, and Carlos Salerno, HVAC Manager of Greenleaf, are here to talk to us about what their company offers for Central Texans, including a big giveaway that they have going on right now. And Tori, my first question is for you. Just tell us about who y'all are.
Well, as the name suggests, our company's Greenleaf Plumbing and HVAC. We're a locally operated plumbing and HVAC company in the area, servicing Round Rock and the local communities around the Austin area.
Yeah, we're about to get into our hottest month. So you guys are doing something really cool, Carlo. You're doing the Comfort for a Cause campaign to give away a free AC system, which can get really pricey. So talk to me about what inspired you guys to do this.
There's a lot of homeowners in the Central Texas area that just can't afford some of the prices. And as you've seen over time, the price is only getting higher. We want to be able to give back and help. Especially just a family in need, that we can take care of them this summer the way that our customers have taken care of us over the years.
That is so wonderful. So, Tori, what does the winner actually receive?
Well, actually a pretty big deal. The winner receives a full install of a new HVAC system in their home.
That is cool.
It does have to be, they do have to have one present for us to actually have to replace it.
This is actually life-saving, what you guys are doing in some ways. So if you don't mind, Carlo, why does giving back like this reflect your company values?
One of our core values is actually respect and care for people. So I feel like this is just something that aligns perfect with what we believe in. So we can take care of folks the same way that they've taken care of us over the years.
Tori, talk to me about the contest, how long it's open, when does it close, when do we hear the winner?
Well, the contest is going to run until May 31st is going to be the final day where we will make the decision, and based off of all the feedback we get from the community, and pick one person to be able to do this for. So May 31st we'll be picking the contestant, and we will be announcing it on June 5th.
We love someone who can write in and tell us a story that way, and why you or your friend or someone that you nominate we should consider them for replacement, right? So yeah, tell us a story. We want to see your story.
Well, if they give us a call in the next 48 hours, just for viewers that are watching this right now, you will receive a $50 off any HVAC tune-up to get us out there. Probably a great idea, and we think it's a great special for your viewers.
A very good idea. And guys, it's so cool what you're doing to give back to the community. So thank you so much for what it is you do.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Thanks for having us.
Nominate someone today at Comfort for a Cause at greenleafhvac.net. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Greenleaf Plumbing, AC, and Heating.